Tasha Turnbull, T2 checking in with you. I am coming to you from my kitchen, one of my favorite places. As you know, since I renovated it, so I want to bring you all more meals, more snacks, just more stuff to help us along our little journey, okay? Today I'm bringing you 3 snacks that you can make, 3 healthy snacks. The first one is going to be baked tuna meatballs. It's going to be a warm snack, and sometimes we need a warm snack. A lot of times snacks can be cold, but the warm snack can kind of make us feel like we're eating a meal. And of course, just small bites to keep us over for in between our meals. So we have the baked tuna meatballs. Then I'm going to bring you my T2 power balls. Good things to eat for snack or breakfast to hold us over. And then the last one doesn't even require anything. It's just my apple and peanut butter donuts per se. Doesn't require any making. We're just going to chop and spread. All right, so you ready? My timer to about 400. Add in some olive oil. Then I'm going to add in a medium cup of red onion. All right, now that onion is nice and soft, I'm just going to add it to my bowl. Everything else will come together in. Some parsley that I'm going to chop up. Now I could have put the spinach and the sauteed onion mixture. I could have did it that way, but I mean, it's gonna go down the same way. So you can, put this in here. I have some dill I'm gonna add to this, and it smells good. Snap. Added that in. Then I'm going to add in 2 beaten eggs. Add that to the mixture. I have 1/4 of a cup of almond flour. I'm trying to keep this as low carb as possible. So this is a binding. That's about enough. Almond flour helps with binding stuff together. Now I have my tuna. So just canned tuna. Next, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of yogurt. This is Greek yogurt. Obviously, you can do vegan if you want, but this is just a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Again, it's plain. Don't put no vanilla in this. We ain't got time for no no sweet tuna meatballs. Okay. So I added a tablespoon of that. Then I have a lemon. We're gonna do 1/2 of a lemon. Get that juice going. And some salt. Again, then we have to mix this together. I'm going to mix this together with the spoon. So I'm going to now scoop everything together. Make little balls. This is them coming out of the oven. All right, here we go. What we're gonna do now is dip them in some bitchin sauce. All right, so here is the bitchin sauce. Well, actually, here is the container. I got it from Target. You can get it at Costco, BJ, Sam's Club, that type of thing. It's vegan, almond, grapeseed oil, lemon juice, a whole lot of spices. Child, it's some good stuff. So I'm just gonna kindly dip one of my tuna meatballs in it. So good, so good. Look, you can use this for breakfast. This is a snack. Child, you got to try it, okay? All right, so my next snack is what I call T2 Power Energy Balls. You've seen these a lot, energy bites, energy balls. This is the T2 spin on it. If I didn't say already, shout out to DJ B for my Freshtopia shirt. Love his DJ shop, top 5 DJs in my personal opinion. Thanks for the shirt. So yeah, the Power Energy Bites, they're very simple. There are a lot of things that you already have in your pantry. So I'm doing oat, peanut butter, chia seeds, cranberries, and some pistachios for extra nuts. Of course, I know you see chia seeds all the time, but why are they important? Why do we add them in? They're a good source of fiber, antioxidants, omega-3s. So it's good to just throw a little bit of those in from time to time. And to bind it all together, we're using the peanut butter. I'll probably use a little bit of water or maybe a little bit of honey. You can do maple syrup, honey, maybe some sugar-free syrup. Yeah, I have sugar-free syrup. That's what I'm going to use. All right, so it's really easy to put together. All right, so first we got about like a cup, and just so you know, I kind of just go freestyle, given what I know how much is needed for these snacks. Just so you know, I just kind of freestyle, eyeball how much I usually need, but it's around about a cup of old-fashioned oats. I like crunchy peanut butter. I'm using Jif. I like natural, simple. There's some natural kind. I do use the peanut butter that has the separation of the oil and peanuts sometimes, but I don't know, I just love the natural Jif. It's like how it is. I'm using probably only, I don't do a lot of sugar, which is cranberries, because there's really no nutrients in them. I probably do like a fourth or a third of a cup because I'm still getting carbs from the oats. So this is like a third of a cup of cranberries and other ingredients. In other recipes, you might see like a half a cup. We ain't got time for all that, child. Okay. I'm adding additional nuts. These are pistachios. I don't eat them enough regularly. I like them, and just to give me some extra crunch. I'm a texture person, so you're not gonna really just see me eating like yogurt without something I need to crunch. It just helps me out, especially with snacks. I mean, hello. So that's about a fourth of a cup. Chia seeds, like I said, I'm adding in a tablespoon of these. And then next, hold on, I'm using a little bit, sorry I'm off camera, but I'm using a little bit of sugar-free syrup just to kind of add as a binder. Yep, so I'm gonna mix everything together, ball it up. Yep, so I'm just mixing it up together. Yeah, so what I did is I actually moved them to the container, which I'll keep them in. Look like this. And I'll probably do like 2 at a time. Again, perfect snack. Perfect breakfast if you're on the go, because we need stuff that we can pick up and move while we're driving, typing, texting, calling. So this is perfect for it. Got your protein, fiber, nutrients, healthy carbs. Boom, we in there. Okay, so my last snack is apple and peanut butter. The way that I decided to jazz it up is by kind of making some apple and peanut butter donuts. So we're just gonna slice it in rings so it looks like a donut, and I'm going to add on top some grain-free granola. Y'all know I love this crunch, okay? So it doesn't have as much carbs as your traditional granola, and it's made with plant seeds. Just a great little crunch to add to the top. So remember, anything we add to our snacks, they should be fueling us. It shouldn't just be like a filler. Oh, it's a snack, so you just eat whatever. We ain't got time for that, and we have way more options. So make sure that your snacks contain like protein, as well as good nutrients, good vitamins, antioxidants, stuff to give us energy, keep us sustained, keep our immune system up, and it's small. Remember, this is a snack. This ain't no meal, child. Really good if I had something like a little hole. Right, so now I cut all of my little holes out. My beloved chunky peanut butter. I'm gonna just spread it around. And it makes it look like, doesn't this app already make it look like so much bigger? Your snack is so much bigger than you just eating apples and just dipping in peanut butter. I'm just gonna add a few pieces of the grain-free granola. Yes, child. The ending product, again, much better looking than just slicing up an apple and dipping it in peanut butter. Child, sometimes we gotta fancy it up, okay? We gotta help ourselves out. All right. I know you hear the crunch. I know you hear the crunch. I know you hear the crunch. I know you hear, girl, took that snack up a notch. Thank you all so much for checking out my 3 snacks. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your little cousins. Great way to switch it up. Good for kids, good for us. Keep the variety in our snacks. All right, bye little babies. Thank you.